Once again, welcome to the next episode of the reading series. In our last episode, we discussed the combination of the R sound, the air sound, the E sound, and the O sound. Okay? Today, we want to look at the U or the A sound. Okay? We are going to understand when does the sound takes A and when does it takes the U sound. Okay, so basically we want to combine it with the 21 consonant and see the sound it produces. Please take note that this is a process. Okay, so we are looking at this very sound, the sound. Okay, sometimes you can call this the sound, or you say the U sound. All right, so we know that when you combine the B sound, when you combine it with this, you are going to have the what? The B sound. Okay, the B sound. B, B, B. Okay, now when you add this to this, you're going to have the what? The K sound. K, K. Okay, when you combine this, the next letter is what? A, B, C, D. Okay, that's letter D. If you combine it with this, you have the D sound. Okay, D, D, D. Okay, then if you combine letter D, letter E, letter F, if you combine it with this, you have the what? The F sound. Okay, now it has, when this letter U, the sound it produces when it combines with any of the consonant, it's a little bit of an R sound, but not really R. Okay, you have like B, K, D, F. Okay, all right. So you have letter F. You have this. Okay, so when you add this, when they are added, it gives you the G, it gives you the H, this gives you the J. Okay, this gives you the K. You have this, it gives you the La, it gives you the Ma, this gives you the Na, this gives you the Pa, this gives you the Pa, Na, Pa, Pa, this gives you the Ra, this gives you the Sa, this gives you the Ta, this gives you the Ba, this gives you the Wa, this gives you the Za, this gives you the Ya, this gives you the Z. Okay, so just as I mentioned, you have a little of the A sound. Okay, you have B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, K, R, S, T, V, W, Z, Y, and Z. A little bit of an R sound. That's why when this letter, for instance, this very particular one, when you add a T to it, you have that. Okay? Because but, but, cut, dot, hut, dot, hut, dot. Okay, so that's the sound it produces. All right, that's the sound it produces. So we're going to go over it again. All right, now in some cases you can actually, this sound is the oo sound in some cases. All right, remember when we go to the other part of, when we are looking at an understanding of the 44 different sounds of the English language, then we can isolate the sound. But for now, this is what is going to help you to actually read, letter reading, understanding how to produce this sounds, combine them together and start reading. All right, so let's refresh our memory again. So you have b, k, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, k, r, s, t, v, w, z, y, and z. All right, remember it's not really the ah sound, but a little bit of the all right, it's very important you take note of that. So once that is done, you have been able to identify this. And I said there are exceptions. In some cases this takes the oo sound. For instance, if this it's combined with the oo, the e sound. Okay, if letter U is combined with the E sound, it takes the oo sound. That's why, sorry, did I say the E sound? No, when the letter U is combined with the letter E, it takes the oo sound. That's why you have words like true. Okay, you have words like blue. All right, you have words like glue. So please take note of that. All right, it's very important that you understand this. But if it is something like this, all right, you see, guide. Okay, guide. So it's very important that you get to understand these things better. Okay, remember, when does it take the oo sound? When the letter U is attached to the letter E, okay, and they are at the middle, then the letter U takes the oo sound. Okay, please take note of that. Though there are exceptions, but as you keep learning and progressing, you understand those exceptions. Okay, so thank you very much. This is the little we are going to be talking about today. And this is where we'll stop for this episode. If you have not subscribed, please do so and turn on the notification bell. And just as I always mention, keep learning, keep improving, keep putting your best in anything you do. And write in the comment section what you want us to talk about so that we can look at it together. Until I come your way next time, keep on learning.